This is the listening test of TOEFL Primary Step 2, Test Book Number 3. Welcome to the listening test of TOEFL Primary. We will listen and answer questions. Let's get ready. Find the listening part of your answer sheet. On this test, each question has only one answer. Fill in only one circle for each question. Part 1.
Fill in the correct circles on your answer sheet. Let's do an example.
Number 1.
Listen to a teacher.
I am going to make some photocopies of the handouts. Please answer the questions on page 23 in your textbook. I want everyone to be quiet while I am gone.
Now answer this question. What will the teacher do next? Look at the pictures. So, which picture shows?
I am going to make some photocopies of the handouts. Please answer the questions on page 23 in your textbook. I want everyone to be quiet while I am gone.
The answer is B, because the teacher is making photocopies at the copy machine. Fill in B on your answer sheet. Did you fill in B on your answer sheet? Do you understand the directions? Ask your teacher if you need help. Now you do it.
Number 2. Listen to a father talking to his son. How is your cold? I think you should go see the doctor with your mom this afternoon. I will call your teacher and tell her that you are too sick to go to school today. What will the father do next?
Go on to the next page.
Number 3.
Listen to a man.
Please do not climb the trees. They are still young, so the branches break easily. You could fall and hurt yourself.
What does the man ask the students not to do?
Number 4. Listen to a teacher.
The open house for your parents is this Friday evening. I am going to hand out a letter for you to give to your parents. The letter tells your mom and dad the time, date, and location of the meeting. Please show the letter to your parents tonight, and let me know if your parents can come to the meeting tomorrow.
What will the teacher do next? Number 5.
Listen to a teacher.
You all did very well on your book reports. I am very impressed. Now, I am going to have each of you present your report in front of the class. Briefly tell your classmates the title and author of the book, a summary, and the parts that you liked or disliked. Let's start with you, Henry.
What does the teacher tell the boy to do? Go on to the next page.
Number 6. Listen to a teacher.
Listen carefully. When you walk into the theater, you must find your seat. Your seat number is written on your ticket. No food is allowed in the theater, and please do not make any noise during the play.
What does the teacher want the students to do? Number 7.
Listen to a mother talking to her daughter. I want you to sit in the back of the car and fasten your seatbelt. Don't stick your head out of the window while I'm driving. It's very dangerous. What does the mother tell her daughter to do? Go on to the next page.
Part 2. Listen to a conversation and answer the question. Fill in the correct circle on your answer sheet. Let's do an example. Number 8. Listen to a conversation between a teacher and a student. Listen for the answer to this question. What does the teacher tell the student to do?
Helena, do you remember your well check with the school nurse last week?
Yes. Are the results out already?
Yes. I got your medical report yesterday, and I'm a bit concerned about your health. The nurse suggests that you exercise regularly, eat more vegetables, and try to cut down on junk food.
Okay, I'll try my best.
What does the teacher tell the student to do? The choices are A. Eat junk food regularly. B. Study regularly. C. Work out regularly. Fill in the correct circle on your answer sheet. The answer is C, because the teacher says,
The nurse suggests that you exercise regularly, eat more vegetables, and try to cut down on junk food.
fill in C on your answer sheet. Do you understand the directions? Ask your teacher if you need help. Now you do it. Number 9.
Listen to a conversation between two students at school. Listen for the answer to this question. What will the students do next?
We should start discussing what we want to do for the school fun fair.
Since we are representing the business club, how about we do something that can make a profit? Then we can use the money for our club or donate it.
That sounds wonderful. Let's talk about what we want to sell and make a plan.
Let's think of something that is easy to make. How about snacks like lemonade or hot dogs?
Sounds great. Let's do a survey on what snacks students like the most.
What will the students do next? A. Start a meeting. B. Do a survey. C. Sell lemonade.
Number 10. Listen to a conversation between two students working in a woodworking class. Listen for the answer to this question. When the boy says, "It doesn't really matter," what does he mean?
Our miniature house is almost done.
Yeah, we just need to put up the fence around the house.
I will help you. Do you want me to start from the right or left?
It doesn't really matter. Start from wherever you like. When the boy says, "It doesn't really matter," what does he mean? A. They must start putting up the fence from the left side. B. The house will not be finished on time. C. They can start putting up the fence from any point. Number 11.
Listen to a conversation between a boy and his mom. Listen for the answer to this question. What happened to the white shirts?
Mom, I did the laundry while you were out. In fact, the dryer will be done in a minute.
Wow, I don't know what to say. Thank you for helping me. You're getting so grown up.
Oh no! What happened to Dad's white shirts?
The dye from your blue jeans must have stained the white shirts. You should remember to wash the colored clothes and the light-colored clothes separately the next time. What happened to the white shirts? A. They turned blue. B. They shrank. C. They were torn. Go on to the next page.
Number 12. Listen to a conversation between two friends. Listen for the answer to this question. What are the children talking about?
Hi, Sarah. Do you want some candy? I have dark chocolate and strawberry vanilla. Which flavor would you like? I would like dark chocolate, please. The chocolate-flavored one is my favorite. Here you go. I like chocolate flavor too, but I think the vanilla-flavored ones are the best.
What are the children talking about? A. Their favorite music. B. Their favorite color. C. Their favorite candy flavor. Number 13.
Listen to a conversation between a boy and a girl. Listen for the answer to this question. What will the boy do tonight?
Do you have any plans tonight?
Yeah, my sister won a prize in the poetry contest yesterday, so we are going to celebrate.
How come you didn't celebrate yesterday?
My dad was on a business trip, and he is coming back this afternoon, so my mom made a reservation at my sister's favorite restaurant for this evening.
I see. Have a nice dinner with your family.
Thanks.
What will the boy do tonight? A. Go to the airport to pick up his dad. B. Go see his sister in the poetry contest. C. Eat out with his family.
Number 14.
Listen to a conversation between a man and a woman at a store. Listen for the answer to this question. What does the man say about the new product?
Hi, are you looking for anything in particular?
Yes, I am looking for a new vacuum cleaner.
Well, this is our new model. It is lighter than the older model, but much more powerful. It is easy to push around, and you don't even need to buy dust bags anymore. You just need to remove this plastic container and empty the dust into the bin.
Sounds great. I'll take it.
Okay, I will go to the storage room and get a new one for you. I'll be back in about 5 minutes.
What does the man say about the new product? A. It is lighter than the older model. B. It is the cheapest one in the store. C. It is temporarily out of stock. Go on to the next page.
Part 3.
Listen and answer the question. Fill in the correct circle on your answer sheet. Let's do an example.
Number 15. Listen to a phone message.
Hi, Susan. It's Jill. Yesterday you told me about the mini conference that will be held this Saturday. I want to attend it, but I forgot the time and location of the conference. Can you call me back when you get this message? Thank you.
What did Jill call about? The choices are A. The time of their business meeting. B. The location of the conference. C. The schedule for the school excursion. Fill in the correct circle on your answer sheet. The answer is B. The location of the conference. Fill in B on your answer sheet. Do you understand the directions? Ask your teacher if you need help. Now you do it. Number 16.
Listen to a phone message. Hi, Luke. This is your English teacher, Mrs. Lee. As you know, our school's writing club publishes a journal twice a year, and I want to publish your essay for the fall and winter edition. If you don't mind sharing your essay with others, please come by my office tomorrow after school. I will point out some parts that need to be revised for the journal. Why did the teacher call? A. To ask Luke to write a new essay. B. To ask Luke whether he wants to publish his work. C. To inform Luke about rescheduling their meeting.
Number 17. Listen to a phone message. Hi, Jennifer. This is Sam. I was cycling with Matt this afternoon, and we saw a poster about the new movie featuring Tom Green. I remember he is your favorite actor. The movie will be released next week. It looks exciting, and Matt and I are interested in watching it. Would you like to come with us next week? What did Sam call about? A. The new movie that will be released next week. B. Exercising in the park together. C. His new bike that he got as a birthday present. Number 18. Listen to a phone message. Hi, my name is Carl Coleman. I bought a toolbox yesterday at your store, and I want to exchange it for another model. I did not use any of the tools in the box, and I was wondering if it is possible to make an exchange if I bring my receipt. What does Carl want? A. To buy another toolbox of the same model. B. To exchange what he bought for something else. C. To ask for a refund.
Go on to the next page.
Number 19. Listen to a phone message. Hi, Aunt Isabella. This is Mark. Mom told me Jason fell down the stairs 2 days ago, so he can't come visit me this weekend. How's he doing now? I hope he's better. I miss both you and Jason. Talk to you soon. Why did Mark call? A. To invite his aunt and cousin over to his house. B. To tell his aunt that he fell down the stairs. C. To ask about Jason's condition. Number 20.
Listen to a phone message.
Hi, Ryan. This is Julie. I saw the photos you took when you went hiking with your family. I especially liked the photos of flowers. I think you are a talented photographer. If it's okay with you, can you send me the pictures you took of the flowers? I want to use them as my computer wallpaper. Thank you.
Why did Julie call? A. To ask to borrow Ryan's camera. B. To ask for some photos that Ryan took. C. To ask Ryan about the flowers and trees.
Number 21.
Listen to a phone message.
Hi, Laura. This is Susie. The swimming club is going swimming next Thursday after school. If you are free, would you like to join us? The entrance fee is $2, and we can bring our own snacks. We will ride the school bus from school to the swimming pool, and we can swim until 5. I hope you can come.
What is happening next Thursday? A. The school bus will not be in operation. B. Some students will go swimming after school. C. The swimming lessons will begin at 5.
Number 22. Listen to a phone message. Hello, this is Corey's history teacher, Mr. James Kingston. Corey got in a fight today with his classmate, Jim. They had a small argument, which ended up in a fight. Neither of the boys was badly hurt, but the principal would like to see you and Jim's parents tomorrow after school to discuss the incident. Why did Mr. Kingston call? A. To inform Corey's parents about a meeting with the principal. B. To tell Corey's parents that Corey started the fight. C. To ask Corey's parents if they know Jim's parents.
Go on to the next page.
Part 4.
Listen to a story about Max.
Max's teacher came into the classroom with a new student one morning. We have a new student. His name is Kyle Readings. Kyle, you can sit at the empty seat beside Max. Max, I want you to help Kyle, since he is new to our school," said the teacher. After class, Max took Kyle to the cafeteria for lunch. They carried their trays and found a table nearby. While they were eating, Kyle told Max, "I need to go to the restroom. I'll be right back." A few minutes later, Max saw Kyle wandering around the cafeteria. Kyle seemed to be looking for their table, so Max waved at him. "Kyle, I'm over here." "Why are you carrying another tray of food? Your food is still here on the table," shouted Max. "I'm sorry, but do I know you?" the boy asked Max. Max was confused. "You don't remember me? We were just having lunch together, and you told me you were going to the restroom," said Max. The boy said with a smile, "I think you are talking about my brother, Kyle. My name is Matt, and Kyle and I are identical twins." At that moment, Kyle came back from the restroom. "Oh, you've already met my brother. Matt, this is my classmate, Max," said Kyle. "Nice to meet you, Max. You must have been really shocked when I didn't recognize you," Matt replied. "I was shocked at first, but now I am excited because I have 2 new friends. Let's finish our lunch quickly and go play on the playground," said Max with a grin. Now answer the questions. Number 23.
Who is Kyle? A. A new student at Max's school. B. Max's twin brother. C. Max's older brother.
Number 24.
What was Max confused about? A. He was confused about where the restroom was located. B. He was confused about why Kyle did not recognize him. C. He was confused about the food he ordered.
Number 25.
In the story, the word identical means A. Exactly the same. B. Completely different. C. Not related in any way.
Number 26.
What does Max want to do? A. He wants to eat lunch alone. B. He wants to play on the playground. C. He wants to go to the restroom. Go on to the next page.
Listen to a story about Gina.
Gina was sitting alone at the table in the living room. Her mom came and asked, "What's wrong? You look a little pale." "I have to make a speech in front of my history class tomorrow, and I am so nervous. I really hate speaking in front of others," said Gina. "There's nothing to be nervous about. You will do just fine," said Gina's mom. "What if I make a stupid mistake? Everyone will laugh at me," said Gina with a depressed look on her face. It is not easy to speak in front of others, but if you are confident about what you are presenting and practice enough, you won't have a problem. Just remember to take deep breaths whenever you are nervous. You can also prepare some note cards to use during your presentation. Don't forget to smile when you speak. If you show that you are nervous, your audience will also feel nervous when they look at you, Gina's mom advised. "Thanks for the tips. I think I need more practice. Can you help me? I'll go get some paper to make note cards now," said Gina, running to her room. That afternoon, Gina and her mom practiced for hours. Gina gained confidence and felt much better. "I think I'm ready to make my speech," she said excitedly.
Now, answer the questions. Number 27. What does Gina have to do the next day? A. Make a speech in class. B. Take a history test. C. Enter a singing contest. Number 28. What was Gina nervous about? A. Speaking in front of people. B. Talking with others. C. Correcting her mistakes. Number 29. What did Gina's mom do for her? A. Made the presentation for her. B. Helped her practice. C. Wrote some notes for her. Number 30. In the story, confidence is A. A positive feeling. B. A negative feeling. C. A feeling of irritation.
Go on to the next page.
Listen to a teacher giving a history lesson.
Okay, class. Today I want to talk about the gold rush in San Francisco. A gold rush is a period of time when a lot of people hurry to a place where gold has just been discovered. The California gold rush happened in San Francisco a long time ago. When the news of the gold discovery in California's Sierra Nevada mountains spread around the world, many people rushed there. Unfortunately, not everyone became rich, but it definitely helped the town grow fast. Thanks to the gold rush, the population of San Francisco rapidly increased from almost nothing to over 300,000 people between the years of 1848 and 1860. San Francisco was not ready to have so many people all of a sudden at that time. The town needed more places to live, food to eat, clothes to wear, stores to sell things, and even factories to produce goods for the newcomers. However, it wasn't a big problem as the town was full of people with different backgrounds. Although not everyone was successful at finding gold, many people were able to find new work opportunities. As more people started living and working in San Francisco, the town soon became an important center for trade and banking.
Now, answer the questions. Number 31.
What happened in San Francisco in the past? A. People from other places went there to find gold. B. People left there for more opportunities. C. There was a huge volcanic eruption in the Sierra Nevada mountains.
Number 32.
A period of time when many people come to a place to find gold is called a Gold rush. B. Silver rush. C. Bronze rush.
Number 33.
In the story, the word opportunities means A. A process of becoming less. B. Chances to do something. C. Things that have no value. Go on to the next page.
Listen to a teacher in a classroom.
Okay, class. Today, we are going to talk about shapes of the moon. Last month, I asked you to observe the moon and draw a picture of the moon every night. When you were observing the moon, what shape was it? Did the moon have the same shape throughout the whole month, or did it change? Sometimes, the moon looks like the letter D or C, and sometimes it looks flipped. The reason the moon changes its shape is because of the sun. The moon does not make its own light, so it gets its light from the sun. We call this reflection. Also, the moon revolves around the Earth. Because it keeps moving, we see different parts of the moon every day. At the start of every cycle, the moon is between the Earth and the sun. So we cannot see the moon, and we call it a new moon. When the moon is behind the Earth, we see a full moon. The period in which the moon goes around the Earth is called the lunar cycle. Lunar means moon. The phases happen in the same order every time, and it usually takes 29.5 days to complete one cycle. Do you have any questions?
Now, answer the questions. Number 34. What did the students do last month? A. They took photos of stars. B. They recorded the shapes of the moon. C. They watched a video about the moon. Number 35. What is true about the moon? A. It appears the same throughout the lunar cycle. B. It does not create its own light. C. The Earth revolves around the moon. Number 36. In the story, the word reflection means A. A process of shining light back off a surface. B. Thinking carefully. C. A sign of a particular situation.
Go on to the next page. Listen to a teacher giving a culture lesson. Okay, I'm going to show you some pictures, and you tell me anything that comes to mind.
I think I know the place, but I can't think of its name. I saw it on a TV show on the Travel Channel. Is that place in Peru?
Yes, this is the city of Machu Picchu. It is in the Andes in Peru.
Mrs. Livingston, I've heard people say Machu Picchu is great, but what makes the city so special?
Good question, Tom. I was just going to talk about that. The city of Machu Picchu was built more than 500 years ago by a group of people called the Incas. They built this huge place with only the simplest hand tools. With their limited tools, they put up huge stone buildings for homes, food storage, and even temples. The Incas not only built buildings, but also studied the sky and the stars a long time ago. Look at this picture. This is called Intihuatana. What do you think the purpose of this huge stone is?
Is it a huge tomb for the leader of the city?
Maybe it is a big playground for children.
Those are interesting answers. But the Incas actually used this stone to tell the dates of the 2 equinoxes. An equinox is a date when night and day are of equal length, and it only happens twice a year. Scientists today calculate the equinoxes by using telescopes and other tools. However, the Incas were smart enough to use this stone to tell when day and night were of equal length.
How did the Incas find the dates of the equinoxes using that stone?
Very good question. When there's an equinox, the sun covers the stone, so the stone casts no shadow. On the day of the equinox, the Incas celebrated because they believed that their celebrations would connect the sun to the earth. They believed that offering sacrifices during this time would bring them good luck. Although it is a superstition, I am very amazed by their intellect and imagination. Are there any questions so far?
Now, answer the questions. Number 37.
What did the Incas build? A. Automobiles. B. Houses made of stone. C. Telescopes.
Number 38.
What was Intihuatana used for? A. For holding rituals for the dead. B. For finding a particular time. C. For building a temple.
Number 39.
In the story, the word superstition means A. Information that is a fact. B. New scientific data. C. A belief that certain things can bring you good or bad luck. Stop. You finished the listening test. This is the end of the practice test.